This video is example number 2 of graphing linear equations, the review, okay? Remember, our objective is I will graph linear equations in the form y equals mx plus b, which is slope-intercept form. And first you plot the y-intercept, and then you use the slope to plot 2 more points for the line, or more points for the line. Okay, so example number 2 is asking us to graph the equation y equals 2/3 x minus 5. Okay, so let's see. Well, the first thing we have to do is plot the y-intercept. Okay, we have to figure out what the y-intercept is in this case. Well, we know that the y-intercept is the number not with the x. So y equals 2/3 x minus 5. The number not with the x is -5. Why negative? Because you want to keep the sign in front of the number. So our y-intercept is -5, not 5. All right, number 2, use the slope in the form of a rise over a run. Rise over a run. To plot more points for the line. Okay. So in this case, our slope, the number with the x is 2/3. That's great. It's already in a rise over a run form. The rise over the run. All right, so let's plot the y-intercept first. The y-intercept is -5, so we have to look on the y-axis for -5. Here's 0, so we're going to go down 1, 2, 3, 4 to -5 right here. Plot the y-intercept. Okay, and then we're going to use the slope, which is 2/3, to plot more points on the line, starting from the y-intercept. So here's the y-intercept. We're going to go, the rise is 2, so we're going to go up 2, 1, 2, and then the run is 3. 1, 2, 3. Plot a point. We're going to go up 2 over 3. Up 2, 1, 2 over 3. 1, 2, 3. Plot a point. Up 2, 1, 2 over 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay? If we wanted to plot points on the left side of the y-intercept, we're kind of going to do the opposite. So we're going to go down 2 and to the left 3, down 2 and to the left 3, down 2 and to the left 3. Okay, that way we have a nice line there on either side of the y-intercept. I'm using one of my son's toys, a nice straight edge here, so you're going to try to line up the points as well as possible and draw a line through all of them. Perfect. Okay, again, we just graphed the equation y equals 2/3 x minus 5. We plotted -5 as the y-intercept, and then we used the slope to get more points on the line. We went up 2 over 3, up 2 over 3. You could see over here, if we started from this, the leftmost point, you go up 2 over 3. Up 2 over 3. It works. The slope is the same between any 2 points, remember.